The Contemptor Mortis Dreadnought. Dreadnoughts are utilised throughout the Legion's Astartes, fielded as spearhead assault units able to operate in war zones and environments impassable to more conventional classes of vehicle. Most in demand of all the types of dreadnought in the arsenal of the Imperium are the Contemptors, towering war machines that utilise a combination of machine systems recovered during the Great Crusade, principal amongst them the potent and ill-understood atomantic arc reactor. When the Legion's Astartes Contemptor Dreadnought Talons go to war, they are sometimes accompanied by specialist machines to protect them from air attack. Where possible, the Contemptor Mortis is fielded. For this anti-air sub-pattern of the substandard Contemptor Dreadnought is equipped with an array of powerful weapons, specifically designed to bring down enemy flyers, potent targeting auguries that allow it to lock onto and track multiple foes, as well as heavy field projectors able to withstand the inevitable storm of return fire its target is sure to unleash.